Once you have downloaded the MozBar Chrome extension, you want to go over to this right side, 3 dots, and click on this to open up the Chrome browser menu and navigate all the way down to Settings. You click on Settings. Now you're going to navigate on the left side to Privacy and Security. Next, you want to look for cookies and other site data and scroll all the way down. You will see a section that says sites that can always use cookies. You want to click on Add, and they give you an example of how to enter the domain, which is square bracket asterisk dot close square bracket moz.com and click Add. Once you do that, you will have the moz.com site listed over here, and that's all you need to do. Then the next step, if you are on a Chrome browser and you have a lot of extensions like I do, you really need to go to this icon over here, which looks like a jigsaw puzzle. It's actually an extensions icon. Click on it, look for the MozBar, and click once, because it's going to be like this. Click once to light up the extension pin, and the MozBar icon will now show up in your extension bar over here. With this, you are set to use it. I'm going to bring up the search results and share some example with you. With this, for example, if I type in Manuka honey Singapore, the search results show, but it seems nothing has occurred yet, and that's because you will have to enable the MozBar, and you do that by making sure it turns blue and lights up. So once again, there is data over here, but the extension overlay is not showing up. You click until the blue shows up and lights up, and right now you can see that the overlay is showing. Another thing you will need to do is to create a local profile. You need to come down to this top area, click to drop down, add new profile. To ensure that it is interpreting the right results, you want to open this up and tweak it to your country of analysis. In this case, for me, I'm going to select Singapore. I'm also going to check the show non-personalized results, so that the results that appear are those of the non-personalized results. You create a name like Google Singapore, non-personalized if you want, in brackets, and click Create Profile. The final step is to make sure you have toggled to the profile you just created. Now with that, all it takes right now is to analyze the values over here. So let me go back to the slides to explain this. So once you have installed the MozBar, you have really minimalist information right now, but good enough as far as I'm concerned to interpret a few things. First thing, from left to right, you have page authority, PA, and a value, 100 being the highest and 0 being the lowest. You have the progress bar that shows graphically where the page authority is. You have the number of inbound links that Moz has identified. You have DA, which is domain authority. You have the domain authority graphical bar again. And then you have a clickable link that allows you to open up a page that provides you with further link analysis. How would you use this for competitor research? You have to activate the extension, create a profile to commence your competitor research.